1 2 3 1 more 4. Good job. Can you stir for mommy? Yeah, put the spoon there. Yeah. No. Yeah, put it there. Yeah, put it there. Leave it down. Leave it down. Yeah, leave it. Leave it. Yeah, we are all done with this scoop. Put down. Yeah, put down. Good job. And stir here. Close. Close for mommy. Close. We stir the milk, honey. Yeah, good job. Close. And then stir the milk for mommy. Can you stir the milk for mommy? Yeah, you stir, you see? Is that your milk? Is that your milk? It was water, right? And then it becomes your milk. Did you see the white color milk? Did you see the color change? What color is this? What color is this, honey? Can you tell mommy what color is this?
White.
White, good job. Just now was water, right? Now it becomes milk. The color changes.